Yo! See what I mean DIYs by putting your fully in first. Now I'll carry on up that wall and then cut those ones into suit. Then I'm only cutting that tile. I'm only cutting once, not twice, because that's a full tile, but if I put that in first, I'd have to cut that as well. Little things like that, they help you to get faster and faster and faster at what you do. That's the professionals, DIYs. You're doing it in the weekends and at night and that sort of thing, so you know you don't want it to take all year. So if you're doing little wee PowerPoint things, well then you're quicker as well. Yo! This is Chris O. Press that thumbs up, people. Subscribe.